Hi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to test my Portabrook Gordon Highlander for the lights and all the sounds up to F28 because my Gagemaster Prodigy Advanced 2 only goes up to 28. So I'll put the marker lights on, which is F0. And then with this loco it's got wide pack lights as well. So for that it's F22. So as you can see, a light came on there, strong light. And that's it off. And there's one that yard working lights, and that's F23. I'm not sure what that one actually does. Doesn't seem to do anything. Maybe I have to have the main lights off first. Nope. That's meant to be yard work lights, directional. Nah, somebody will have to let me know what that one means. The F23 yard work lights. Because I can't seem to get that to work. The directional lights work. Only because I've put them on using F11. That's red marker lights. What I'll do now is put on the cab lights, which is F12. So the cab lights should be on now. And that's directional as well. Then the interior lights near the engine bay. Engine room lights is F25. So they come on. I'll try the sounds. F1 is engine start, but I don't want to put that on yet because it'll drown out everything else. So F2 is the air horn number 1. F3 is air horn number 2. F4 is the roof fan. F8 is locomotive brake on off. F9 is the compressor air let off. F10 is the guard's whistle. Well, I pressed F1 by mistake because I was wanting something else. You have to use the shift to get higher numbers on this. That's engine start. Train brake is F13. That's probably for moving that. F14 is the station announcements. I'm going to switch the main engine off though because it's too loud. So F14 is the station announcements.
Train at platform 7 is the 10 a.m. flying Scotsman, calling at Newcastle Central and Edinburgh Waverley.
F15 is the up station announcements.
The train at platform 1 is the 10 a.m. flying Scotsman, calling at Newcastle Central and London King's Cross.
You can change them on the CVs, CV 168 and 169, but you have to put that on programming track to do that. F16 is cab door open and close. F18 is steam heating boiler. F21 is air splitter valve. That doesn't seem to do anything, that. F24 is compressor. That doesn't seem to do anything. I'll start the engine again and see if that makes a difference with these other ones. Drive hold is F5. That gets it to accelerate a little bit. That's F26, manual notch up. F27 is manual notch down. The F24 does work because you can hear the difference when I put it in just then. And you can hear the air spitter valve as well. F7's flange squeal. Okay, well, I'll end my video there because it's quite long as it is, and I'll test out my Royal Scots Grey as well, needs fully testing out. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and thank you for subscribing, and say hello to all my new subscribers. I'm only 5 away from 500, so if you're watching this, if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It doesn't cost you anything and it helps my channel build. Until the next one, I'll say bye for now and thank you for watching.